Good morning, y'all. So today's gonna be a little bit quicker of a video. Travel day again. We're going from Nashville. We're gonna head over to Memphis, Tennessee to do some guitar work, and then I'm gonna be there for like a week. So if you're in that area, let me know. Maybe I'll want to say, hey, I gotta build a bunch of pickups and do a bunch of stuff. One of the reasons I want to make this video is we're making a bunch of changes to Dylan Talks Tone. We are literally so busy making pickups that I think I'm gonna have to go to a waiting list at some point. So if you want something from Dylan Talks Tone, if you want, you know, the new humbuckers that we just came out with, or any of this stuff, go over there and place your order. And then what I'm going to do is, as long as it's 2 weeks or less to be able to fulfill it, we're not going to worry about it. But if it's longer than that, then I'll let you know and we'll work it out. Right now we're right at that 2-week period, so I would say if you want something, make sure you go order it. It's been crazy. Like, we've been really busy, number one, which is really good, and then number two, the whole COVID-19 thing, there are certain parts that we just have not been able to get. We actually had to remove a bunch of stuff from the website just because of parts availability. I may put them on in the future, but right now they're just not there. Tele control plates aren't there anymore. And we removed a bunch of other stuff that we just don't sell that much of. I want to get this thing focused to pickups because that's what I do. Like, that's the thing. I just don't want to get too distracted with this other stuff. For example, and I think we're going to do a video specifically about it again because I love this stuff so much, but the Lizard Spit Ultimate Fresh Fret Polishing System, we did a video on it. I'll leave a link to it in the description. It works so much better than any kind of anything. First of all, never use steel wool on your guitar. You've heard me say it a million times. You're gonna ruin your pickups. Here's what happens. This is what happens. And I don't care if you tape it up. I don't care if you go to whatever lengths you want to go to, but what happens when you use like a double or triple aught steel wool to polish your frets is particulates of that steel wool comes off, okay? And then it gets in around the pickups because they're magnets, right? They just suck in these little particulates. And then as you're playing, the corrosive quality of your sweat and everything literally combines with those metal particulates, those steel particulates, and it rusts your pickups. And not only the pole pieces, but it accelerates the rusting of the coil itself. Now, I have done numerous, I would say, I've seen it at least a dozen times, where I could go in there and I could see, you could literally see, you can't see them with your naked eye because they're so small, but once they start rusting and you see this like, it's almost like a spider webbing looking thing, where you can tell where particulates have caused the coil to break down. So don't use steel wool on your guitar. And people are gonna say, well, I just tape it all up. Well, if you tape it up, then it doesn't matter, because when you pull the tape off, stuff's just gonna stick to the magnets anyway. It's stupid. And I know that there's 100 people that are gonna get in the comments and be like, I've been doing it that way for 20 years. I mean, people been doing things a lot of ways for 20 years, and people been doing things a lot of ways because their dad told them to do it, and it ain't right. So just don't do it. So anyway, this stuff is a cream based stuff. It's got like a polishing compound, and it's got a sealant in it. Works really, really well. Instead of putting a link to my website, I'm gonna put an Amazon link. As you know, if you use an Amazon link, it helps the channel out a little bit. In fact, I don't make as much money on Amazon, obviously, as I would if I sold them myself. But it does two things. It gets it to you faster, and it makes it cheaper over the long haul. So like, I think with shipping, you're paying like 22 bucks from me. You're only paying 17 if you buy them on Amazon or something like that. Right about now, I'll put the link in the description. It'll give you the right price, but that's the deal. Like, it's not shipping to me, then shipping to you, and then me having to build all that cost in, right? Like, it's literally coming straight from them. And I do make a couple of cents off of each one. It's not a lot. And it's no extra cost to you to use an Amazon link. It just helps me out just a little bit. So still go buy the stuff, use the stuff, and we're going to promote it in our videos a lot, but I'm not going to carry it on the website anymore, just for simplicity's sake and because it'll save you money. So there you go. So now it's automatically, by me saying that, it's like $4 or $5 cheaper to you to get these now. Pretty cool. One of the other cool things, so we took a bunch of stuff off the website, focusing on pickups. However, there's a couple things I want to do that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and that is have a couple of pieces of super high quality merch. You know, we have t-shirts, but they're dumb. Like, I want to redo them. I'm here in Nashville at my buddy's house. He owns the company Speed and Design. They do high-end hot rod interiors. So when we say high-end hot rod interiors, we're talking about like Dave Mustaine brings his stuff here, James Hetfield brings his stuff here, Billy Gibbons brings his stuff here, Kenny Wayne Shepherd, you know, on the music side, Mark Slaughter. I mean, bunch of big time high-end hot rod people bring their stuff here to get their interiors built. And we were sitting around talking, and he said, you know, Mark Slaughter was over the other day, and he told me to build him a guitar strap out of some leftover leather. So I said, well, why don't you build me one? So last night, this is not some kind of like made in China thing, right? This is like handmade. So this is actually buffalo hide. And yeah, I know I'm vegan, but I'm not gonna eat my guitar strap, so we're all okay. This is buffalo hide. I had him put a Batman logo on it for me. Can't sell a Batman logo, but we did it on purpose to show you. I think this is the prototype. I think in the next one, my logo is going to be down here just a little bit lower. And then what we're going to do, and actually maybe it'll be on here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to give you like 3 lines where you'll be able to customize your own thing. And these are, like I said, they're cut out on a laser, and then they're all hand sewn. So he actually has, you know, because he does interiors, they're all going to be handmade, hand sewn. We're going to put them on the website, and I think what I'm going to do, I don't know if I'm going to get it done by today when this video comes out, but what we're going to do is do like a pre-order thing and see how much interest there is in them. Because it won't take me long to get them, only a few weeks. But we're gonna just try a pre-order thing. They are super high quality. They got the strap on the back like this. I mean, these are really, really nice. And they're not, I don't know if you've ever played any of those like $15 ones or whatever. This is nice, man. And we might make a couple of other selections in color and stuff. If you have ideas for color, or you'd say, if I had this color, I would buy it, please put that in the comments and let me know. And then I'm going to try, by the time we get this video up today, to have a pre-order link on the website. And I'm going to take comments from this video for suggestions for color and stuff, and those pre-orders, and put something together. And for the first round, it might be a surprise you with what color we have available, because it's just an experiment, but I think you'll really dig them. They're not cheap, you know, they're not going to be 35 bucks. These are super high quality handmade stuff, so they're not going to be cheap. And then the other thing, I know coasters are stupid, but I love them, and so we're going to have Dylan Talks Tone coasters on the website, and these are not going to be made in China, like third-party printed stuff. We're actually, he's gonna print them here, or laser cut them here and make them here in Nashville. So supports a good business, supports my business. Again, this is stuff I don't make a ton of money on, but I just think it's really cool, and it's something I've been wanting to do for a while. And then he inspired me because he got new shirts, and I was like, you know what? We're gonna spend some time making some proper shirts. We gotta make some proper shirts. I'm tired of just basic stuff. So I know this little vlog was a little bit more of a pluggy thing, but I just wanted to share because I think a lot of people don't realize what we do. A lot of people don't have any idea that, yeah, I make videos 2-3 times a week, but my real living comes from Dylan Talks Tone. That's how I survive. And so trying to streamline that and trying to focus on what we really, really do well, and then some stuff for the brand, you know. But I want it to be high quality stuff. We're not just gonna buy stuff made in China and have it like thrown on the website. And like I said, I know they're not gonna be cheap, but they're gonna be nice. They're gonna be real. And so yeah, man. Sorry for the noise in the background. It's generators running. Because we're camped out in the driveway. So we're gonna head over to Jackson, Tennessee tonight, I think, and then Memphis tomorrow. And then Monday we'll be in Memphis all week, and there'll probably be a bunch of videos based on a few things. Hopefully I get to ship a guitar next week. Hopefully I get to give a guitar away on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday next week. That would be killer, and then we'll ship that to you. So yeah, man, super fun. This place is beautiful. It's there's woods right there. Oh, here, I'll show you. Woods, and there's deer all in there last night, animals around and stuff. It's been super fun. So anyway, that's what we got going. I wanted to share that with you. I hope you dig this stuff, and I'm gonna try to get the pre-order for this on the website by the time this video goes out. And pretty sweet. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see y'all soon.